Hello everyone, and welcome back to Livin with LCruu, the adventure vlog, which often now includes moving every few months to a new city. So welcome to our DC area, Arlington, Virginia apartment tour. Okay, when you first walk in, the first thing you see is this door. Includes our water heater and AC unit, all of that jazz. It's really nice that we get to have control of it in our apartment because in the past, like in Chicago, for example, we had to rely on the building and when they were turning their heat and everything on. Let's take you this way first. As soon as we come this way, we have this great closet for storage. Pretty much we have all of our shoes in here, jackets, like winter things. Thankfully, it is becoming spring now. The sun is coming out, except for today, it's a little bit cloudy. And we don't have to make use of this closet so much anymore. Great that we have a lot of storage. Coming this way, we go into the bathroom, and I have a couple different things to say about the bathroom. First is that I love the size of this mirror. Getting ready, a great stage for dance parties in the morning. They're very important. And so this mirror is amazing. In our Palm Springs apartment, we had a lot of mirrors, but not like a big one in the bathroom where I could like get ready. So this is great. Also in here, every time you turn the light on, the fan goes, which is a little bit annoying, in my personal opinion, because, for example, right now, the lighting is, or the sound is probably not the best it could be, but it is what it is. That's why we keep the speaker in here. And come this way, take a look into our shower. It is a walk-in shower. We have no tub, but luckily they provided us this little witchamajiggy, so it holds all of our soaps and shampoos and things that we need. It gets the job done. Nice shower. One of the first things we had issues with in this apartment was the toilet, but I think we just had to learn how to use it because it's one of these button flushers, which I'm not quite used to most of the time. But anyway, moving on, let's walk this way. I'm going to show you into our bedroom. Okay, welcome to our bedroom. Very spacious, usually a lot of natural light. That is something that I always love having in an apartment. You can't really tell right now because it is very cloudy out, but a lot of natural light comes in here, which is just really nice to start the morning. I hate having lights on during the day. Unfortunately, we have to do it for the video because of the clouds. But yeah, we have a nice spacious bedroom. The one thing I will say about a lot of places with Furnish Finder is that we don't have a lot of dresser space, so we rely heavily on the closet. And for example, this has been kind of acting as our, our dressers, so we have a few drawers that we can put stuff in. Also, this has become a little bit of storage, which I don't really mind. I think it's cute. It kind of can display our books and other fun things. And our TV stand. Also, bed stands. The nightstand on Logan's side is literally a hamper because again, we find our apartments through Furnish Finder. And so it's really just people that are furnishing the place. And I mean, if I were in that situation, I probably wouldn't want to spend $1 million on unnecessary furniture. But this time I have a nightstand, which I love. Plenty of room to keep everything, like all of my electronics, my books, my journals, all of that stuff I keep in here. Also, this is nice just to have extra little storage space for all the etc. things, my hair clips, my jewelry at night, all of that. If we turn here this way, all of this we've kind of been using as storage behind this nice mirror, but we've totally taken this corner over for storage. All of our bins are stacked here. This is how we travel. We just put all of our things in these bins, and unfortunately in this space there wasn't a lot of place to store those, so they're here. We're making it work. It kind of ruins like the aesthetic of the space a little with the plant and the mirror and just these like bins, but beggars can't be choosers, you know what I mean? I have my beautiful Ram Dass calendar. Shout out to you, Miller. And then we go into the closet. Like I said, we rely heavily on closet space in a lot of these places that we travel just because of the situation of traveling so much. So as you can tell, we're really making the most of this space. Like, we have our clothes really stacked along the top because we don't have a lot of drawers or things to put them in. I'm also using my luggage here as like a stand for more things back here. And like Logan still has bins of clothes on the floor. Another thing I find kind of silly is that this closet does not have a light in it, which throws me off a little bit just because I have to use a flashlight literally to get to half my clothes half the time. We really just have to make the most of the space that we are given, and luckily we have this closet that gives us the ability to do that, even though sometimes I can't reach my clothes very easily. All right, moving on. You ready to continue? So the front door is right behind you. As you walk in this way, we have our kitchen. Lots of counter space, so grateful for that. Also in the sink, there is a garbage disposal. We do have a dishwasher. We have a freezer that actually makes ice. A little bit empty, but that's because it's all fresh food. Our super fun fridge. I love, this is like one way to really personalize every place that we go. Since we don't have the opportunity to, you know, hang up all of our own art and photos around the house like that, the fridge is one way that we really, I think, embrace our personalities, our friends, our family, and who we are. Oh wait, hold on. I would say that we do have a lot of storage in the kitchen, like we are just surrounded by cabinets, but the thing is, when we moved into this place, which is vastly different from the last place, it didn't quite feel as furnished, but just in the way of, we didn't have a pan for the oven. We were missing like a can opener and the scissors. There were like some like kitchen basics that we didn't have, which we also weren't prepared for. So we did unfortunately have to purchase some new things, which kind of defeats the purpose, but also every place is going to be different. And so you kind of need to be prepared for that in your budget or mentally or whatever that might be. Yeah, tons of cabinet space. I mean, I really love this, like the glass that like shows the glass. I don't know, I think that's cute. A fun little personalized touch. Another great thing about this apartment is just this totally open floor plan. Obviously we have our little like bar cart-esque thing here, but you can look out if you have guests over or if we're just all hanging out. We can spend time together without being in like separate rooms per se, and I really like that. As I've said in previous videos, I really value one, natural light, but also an open floor plan. I love when it feels like not necessarily one big room, but that you just have a lot of space. So also coming over to this desk area, which I don't think I showed yet. This is a little bit of a part-time office. I really enjoy this space because I do work from home quite a bit, whether it's editing videos at my little desk here or tutoring online, which is one of the many jobs and projects that I do. But yeah, this is really nice because you have all the outlets you need here, this little desk lamp, and it's actually really comfortable. The chair, it's a rolly chair. You can't go wrong with a rolly chair. Are you kidding me? The last stop for inside of our apartment is going to be right behind you. And this is our living room / dining room. I would say we're not big couch people, and maybe it's because this couch is very basic. It's a little bit small. No one can lay and take a nap here comfortably, but it is a wonderful place to hang out, watch a little bit of TV, work on a puzzle. Also, I love this chair. I know it sounds crazy, but I love that it kind of backs up to this window. I love to sit here and read, especially on gloomy days when I could just have my coffee and an enjoyment of sitting in this chair. We have this beautiful lookout to our courtyard. I love sitting here, relaxing, enjoying my coffee and a good book because the light always comes in perfectly, and I also look out to all this beautiful greenery. It's quite amazing. Very grateful for this area. And pretty much the last of it is our dining room. And this is like, makes me feel very elegant. Like with these chairs, they're these very velvety, just like, I feel like I'm in a castle, elegant type chairs, and they match the table. Also, it was cute that they came with like placemats and things. Yeah, our little dining room. The one thing about this is that if we were ever to have guests, we don't have a lot of other places to like all hang out together. It would probably be like on the floor around the coffee table. But again, it's okay because we're here temporarily. Can't forget all the little plants that we've traveled with. They've done a wonderful job of making it so far. This is our mail room / package room. I have not had any situations yet where people are stealing packages. Thank God. It seems like a pretty honest community over here. I don't know if I'd call this an amenity per se, but we do have this trash room, and we literally just toss our garbage bags down the chute every time. I feel a little bit conflicted about this because it's just a code to get into our apartment, and I don't know how I feel about that. So I do want to talk about the amenities just a little bit with the price that we pay, which truthfully is a little bit out of my price range, but it's a beautiful place. We get in-unit laundry, which I didn't show you. I'll have to put some B-roll clips here of our in-unit laundry. This is the best laundry situation that we've had so far of us living together, or truthfully me living out on my own outside of my parents' house, to be completely honest, over the past couple of years. So yes, this is the most ideal laundry situation. We also have access to 2 different gyms. One of them is in our own building. It's small, but for me, like, it gets the work done. You know, you have all your cardio machines, some weights, free weights and weight machines. Also, we are able to access the gym in the other apartments that really are just down the street. And at those other apartments, we also have access to the pool as soon as it opens in May. And those are some awesome amenities for sure. Also, our owners of the buildings, or what are they called, the leasing agents, they do different events and stuff. So the other day I got an email about like muffins and mimosas, that you could go there and meet other people that are living in the buildings and whatnot, as well as they told us when we moved in that we could get free coffee anytime we wanted. We could just run over to the leasing office and get that, and that's really nice as well. We do pay an extra $150 per month to park a second car. It is in a covered garage, so it's, protected from the weather, protected from the people who might want to steal it, all of that kind of stuff. Hey, little June bug. But there is an additional fee for that. Another reason why this is a little bit higher than some other locations you might have found throughout Virginia is because of our proximity to Washington, D.C. itself. I work in Washington, D.C. at a whiskey bar. Literally, it takes me like 15 minutes to get to work. It's directly across the bridge from here is the big city of Washington, D.C., and that's also kind of why the price is a little bit higher than some of the other places like Alexandria or Falls Church that are in and around this area of Virginia. So you also have to consider location, but with Furnish Finder, you are able to change your preferences and kind of decide what you're looking for, whether it's the amenities you're looking for, the price ranges, the parking options, all of that good information. You're able to filter on Furnish Finder. So that's been really nice and helpful in our moving around. We move around because Logan, my partner and cameraman today, is a traveling physical therapist, a traveling healthcare provider. And so every few months we up and move to a different location. And so with that, we need to always find somewhere to move without taking a U-Haul and moving an entirety of an apartment every single time. So that's kind of how we ended up here. If you are not yet subscribed or not yet a member of the channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go click those buttons, all those buttons down below. And I'll also have linked a playlist here of all of the other fun apartment tours and travel vlogs and things like that. I'm so grateful that you've clicked on this video, and I encourage you, if you're watching this, if you've made it this far, to go check out a new city. You don't have to move there, but go somewhere new and explore it and see what you love about it, see what you hate about it. Like always, keep living large, and I'll catch you on the flip.